Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Sony Stereo, safety first. You then remove every speaker cable and input lead so you can test the amplifier in isolation. While it's cold, inspect each speaker wire for exposed copper, bare wire touching chassis, or reversed polarity. These cause protection mode. Once done, note any damaged cable or terminal you find and set it aside for replacement before proceeding to internal checks. Now you methodically test components to find the fault. First, measure speaker impedance with a meter. Mismatched or near zero readings indicate shorts. Then reconnect one speaker at a time, set volume very low, and power on to see if protection trips immediately. While doing that, check binding posts and terminals for corrosion or loose metal shavings that can short. If the problem only appears with a specific speaker, the speaker or its cable is likely the culprit. You finish by clearing electronic faults and verifying normal operation. First, perform the unit's factory reset or firmware update to remove software glitches. Follow your model's steps exactly. Once reset, reconnect speakers and power on at very low volume, then slowly raise volume while watching for protection re-engage. If protection still happens, measure DC offset and internal fuses. Persistent faults usually mean internal amplifier or protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.